Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mr. K-Town 213. Today, I wanted to go over with you how you can claim your EDD online fast. So, I'm sure everyone was waiting in California to, get their EDD checks. So, I found out that the fastest way to get your EDD check is online. You should do it online. So I'm gonna go over with you the steps how to claim your EDD for the week. So if you receive the notice by mail, and you're gonna have two options. If you don't have a computer, then obviously then you have to fill it out and mail it in, which is gonna take a lot longer. So try to do it online. Go to a computer or your cell phone. You should be able to do it, and I hope this video helps. So I'm going to go through the steps with you. So what you need to do is go to edd.ca.gov first, and then on the top right you'll see the login tab, and then you'll click login. So and then you'll go into login to online services, and there's two sections for employer services online to the left, and then on the right is the benefit programs online. So if you're applying for EDD, you want to go to benefit programs online. That's for the employees. So you want to go to the right, and then at the bottom there's login or register, and then you want to click that, and it'll take you to the next page, benefit programs online. So go down, and then you'll see login and register, and then you want to click that again, and then it'll bring you up the next page, the login page. So you want to put in your email address, which you registered before first time for the application, and then you'll use that email address, and then check I'm not a robot, click login, and then it'll take you to the password page. So once you go to the password page, you'll see a personal image. That's the image that you chose when you initially registered for EDD, and then there's a personal caption. Then you want to make sure that this is the legitimate site, and then you want to make sure the password is correct, and enter, and then it'll take you to benefit programs online. And there's three different sections: UI online, SDI online, benefit over payments. So depending on what circumstances, if it's EDD unemployment, you want to select UI online. So it's on the left, and then click UI online or UI online mobile, and then it'll take you to the next page, UI online home. So now here on this page, it'll show you two different things: notifications and claim summary. So notifications, it says certify for benefits. This is where you want to go. It says certify for benefits. You want to click on that button, and then to get certified for the week. And then, but before we do that, I want to show you claim summary. That's where you should see your claim balance. You should see the weekly benefit amount on there. So whatever you've worked so far as an employee, as a W-2 employee, added some insurance to the EDD, and you've accrued that much amount. So basically, if you worked like 10 years, 20 years, or how many years that you've worked, you'll see a claim balance on there. And the weekly benefit amount, you'll see it on there as well. So we're not going to get into that this video. We're just going to show you how to certify. So you're going to go ahead and click the certify for benefits, and then it'll take you to next page, certify for benefits. And then the next question will be certification questions. So now here, week 1, it's going to tell you which weeks that you've applied for, and then it's going to say March 22nd, 2020 through March 28th, 2020. So you have 2 weeks available, and then this is the first week. So you're going to answer all the questions here and click yes or no. Were you too sick or injured to work? Yes or no. If yes, enter the number of days unable to work. And then you want to go through those questionnaires, and then click next. And then it's going to ask you one more question. Did you receive any other type of income, such as the following: pension, residual pay, severance, vacation, etc., etc.? So you want to check to see if you've received money they want to see if you earn money during that time of the week, March 22nd through March 28th. So you want to check either yes or no, and then click next. And since it's week 2, and then it's going to go to week 2, and then March 29th through April 4th. So you want to go check mark off of those. And then at the bottom here, it's going to ask you something. Number 7, it says if you want federal income tax withheld for the weeks, check the box to the right. So if you want the tax to be withheld, check yes. If not, check it off. And then later on, you might have to pay for the taxes back that you received on the EDD. And then you want to click next, review and submit certification. Go over all the questions, make sure it's correct, and then at the bottom, select acknowledgement. You want to check mark that, and then enter the mailing zip code, submit, and the certification. That's it. It's done. It's online. It's fast. So it's a pretty quick and easy. Just to do it online. If you haven't done it, I recommend you just go online and finish that up. So if you like this video, hit the like button, please. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also, my channel is both in English and Korean. So if you are in my channel and you're like, oh, this guy's talking English, Korean, don't get surprised, because I'm talking to both audiences, my Korean audience and my English audience. So I'm going to try to put up some more cool content for you guys. So if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then I'm going to try to make up some cool content and then show you something different of the best of the both worlds. So thank you for watching, and see you again next time.